Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch with Our Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will work on this watch, brand name Oris. This watch is from mid 70s and this movement is the in-house movement 705 with 17 jewels, and it also has spin lever escapement. This video will feature this movement disassembly. This is date guard. This wheel is called date driving wheel. This wheel is date corrector wheel, and this is our wheel. This is date jumper, cannon pinion, and this is how we can unwind this movement through crown stem. This whole part looks unusual. This is setting lever spring, but it also acts as ratchet wheel click spring. This is ratchet click. And there are three wheels below this card. One is crown wheel, one is intermediate wheel for crown wheel and ratchet wheel, and one is intermediate wheel for date corrector. This is minute wheel. Now I will take out the balance wheel. This is pallet fork bridge, and this is pallet fork. See, there are no jewels, it is spin lever. Now I will move this card like this and remove the sweep second pinion. This bridge is called barrel complete bridge. And now I will take out the train bridge. Here is the train bridge. This is center wheel. And below complete barrel there is ratchet wheel. And this is clutch wheel.